you trust I'm honest when they're telling lies? Can you see what I'm not saying through my eyes? All I know is love.
You guys, so now we're at the next place. We are on the campus of Morehouse University. Okay, this is called the Babyyy Cafe. This one is Ronnie's Choice. Papa, this one is Ronnie's Choice. They have soul food there. All right, so we're about to, I guess, get a plate, share it, taste it, and see what it's hitting on. Okay, you guys, so I put in our order at the Babyyy Cafe. We just got one plate. You know, I usually don't complain about prices because I'm, of course, in the food industry, and, you know, I want people to pay what I say, okay? But for them to be on a college campus, I think they're pretty expensive because, like I said, we're on the campus of Morehouse right now, and, y'all, Ronnie got a 2-piece chicken with 2 sides, no drink or nothing, and a banana pudding, and it costs $35. Their 2-piece chicken is $22 for just 2 pieces of chicken. He got dark meat, mac and cheese, and the carrot souffle. Hopefully the carrot souffle is like the one at Neo's in New Orleans because we love that. But $22 for a 2-piece fried chicken? Like, that's higher than my prices. And then their banana pudding costs $11. Like, okay. Their website and all these signs said this is the best fried chicken in Atlanta. We're about to see. Hopefully for $10. This is the bomb banana pudding too. Are you trying to lean in? Go ahead and talk, baby. I'm sorry.
No, just.
You don't think that's kind of high though?
Oh yeah, they robbing it.
And they're on a college campus. Like, I mean, Morehouse. Y'all Morehouse people. Y'all got money. Y'all Morehouse kids got money. Anyway. I thought that was a little high. Let me know if that's expensive or not. Maybe I'm out of touch. I don't know. But they said it's the best in Atlanta. Right here on the campus of Morehouse University in Atlanta. Let's get it. You want to try their chicken too, boo? Huh? Mamas.
She probably will.
Ronnie went to go get the food, so you can't even go inside. They bring your food out to that front table right there, and that's where you get your food at. Alright, y'all, so the food's here. This is how it's looking. Let's see, got my number on there. Look at that, my full figure life. Don't mind my nails, I'm gonna go get it done. Alright, y'all, so this is Ronnie's $22 plate of fried chicken, okay? Says the best fried chicken in Atlanta. And look at his $11 banana pudding. It doesn't even look like it has whipped cream. You know what? Let me stop before that. Let me stop talking junk before I even taste it. This is the $11 banana pudding, y'all. Alright? So let's try. Babe, can I try it? You want to try it first?
No, you do, Jimmy.
You sure? You sure?
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, this is his food, y'all. I'm really waiting on the next place. The next place I want to go to, you're going to see. But look, this is the mac and cheese. Or should I have tried the chicken first? I'll try the mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Mmm. It is good. The mac and cheese is good. Carrot souffle. Let's see if it tastes like Neo's, because we love that one. Mmm. That's good too. And here's their fried chicken. It says the best fried chicken in Atlanta. Oh my gosh, Bam. Is this the best piece to bite? You want to bite that first piece off? It is your food, babe. Sound crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
Worth $22?
That is good. No joke.
It's good, y'all. It's good. And they made homemade yeast rolls. I mean, it's good. This is Ronnie's food. I'm gonna let him eat. But it's good, y'all. I'll get to you when he opens his banana pudding.
That can't be on the yam.
It is only carrots, babe. He like that carrot souffle, y'all. The same way you treat candy yams, sweet potatoes, that's how you do the yams. Leave me a comment below if y'all want to see me do a carrot souffle video, recipe video. Alright, y'all, so this is the banana pudding. $11 banana pudding. Doesn't have whipped cream on top, which doesn't make it bad, but that's just the way I make mine. Okay, so I'm not going to talk junk until I taste it because their food is good. It's expensive, but it is good. So, let's taste it. Y'all.
This is really good.
It's really good? He said, this is really good. Okay. Better than Slutty Vegan? My stomach is like, what the hell's going on? Vegan food, soul food? Yeah, we're literally getting like one thing from each place so we could just... We're literally getting like one thing from each place so we could just taste different stuff. Anyway, let's try this.
See if it tastes like my mama's.
It's good. It's good. It's really, really sweet. Y'all know Ronnie is the banana pudding connoisseur. It's really sweet though, right?
Now that is freaking good.
Okay, so was it worth $35?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright then, so there you have it. Alright.
Yeah.
I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it.
It was bad, I talk bad, but it's good, so it's worth it.
Okay. Alright, y'all. That was Busy Bee Cafe on the campus of Morehouse University. It's raining, y'all. It's been really raining this whole time in Atlanta. Alright. Now off to the next place. Alright, you guys, so we're at the next place. This one is called the Flying Biscuit Cafe. This is on the campus of Georgia Tech. It's like right behind the stadium of Georgia Tech. This one is my choice. The first one, Slutty Vegan, was mine. Busy Bee was Ronnie's choice. This one is my choice, and then the next one's gonna be Ronnie's choice. So I just ordered the stuff online. I'm waiting for it to get ready. Once it's ready, we just gonna go inside. Okay, the flying biscuit. It's supposed to be really good. I know they're really popular in Houston too, but they're supposed to be really good. I'm sorry, they ain't popping. Alright, y'all, so we just got our food from the Flying Biscuit Cafe. We got, these are some grits, scrambled eggs. This right here is their famous biscuits and gravy. They make their biscuits with chicken sausage, like the same ones that I use at home that we really like. So we're gonna go ahead and try it. These grits look so creamy. I added some butter, salt, and pepper to them. They look so good. Everything looks really good. So try the grits. You know I love me some grits. This is so cheesy. What kind of cheese is that? It tastes kind of like those grits you used to like at Wawa's, Ronnie. Try them, Papa. Isn't that good?
Those are good.
I told you. They taste like the Wawa ones to you or no?
It's
Better?
than the Wawa. Those are fire.
Yeah? So good.
Yeah, those are good.
Yeah, these grits are really good. I know they're just grits, but they're cheesy. Some kind of white creamy cheese, maybe even cream cheese. Because look at the color. Wow, yeah, we went in on them grits real quick. Try their eggs. Sometimes I don't eat eggs for months if I get bad eggs, so not really an eggy person. Okay, yeah, right. It's eggs, real eggs. It doesn't taste like the powdered eggs at all. But you are an egg person. Have you zoomed up on you? It needs a little seasoning, but they're okay, right?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, let's try this biscuits and gravy. The whole name of the restaurant is the Flying Biscuit. Biscuits is up under there. You see that? Can y'all see the biscuits? Oh, yeah, I see it. Look. There's a chicken sausage gravy. You can have the first bite, couple. You love chicken sausage. Really? Really? Really, baby?
Man, give me some more of that.
Okay.
That's good, man.
Okay. I ain't tasting it before me. Ooh, did I drop some gravy? Let me pick that gravy back up for you, baby.
Don't you shake that spoon.
Don't you shake that spoon. I ate the piece of gravy that fell on your arm.
That's good.
Is that good? All right, y'all, let me try it. He says good. I gotta taste it. It's good. It's pretty complex. There's a spoon there too. Use a spoon. You don't gotta wait for this for it. Go ahead. Where'd it go? It's good, y'all. He's eating it. So that's how you know. It's bomb. What's your favorite place where you tried so far today? It was all good.
Yeah, different stuff, different places.
I don't know what my favorite one was either. This is pretty good. We are really into the chicken sausage. This is what I cook at home. And I was surprised because Ronnie loves chicken sausage. We like the chicken maple sausage from, I don't know where they from, but I know it can't be that many because most of them are chicken apple. But we like the chicken maple sausage. It comes in like a green bag. So, oh, look at this bite. Oh, this is going to be good. Yeah, she could definitely have eggs. Just that gravy greasy, you know, she's not supposed to have too much grease. But the eggs is good.
Like that, mamas, was good?
Grease south. Grease south, dog. A piece of egg done fell by me. She trying to get it. Alright, y'all. Flying Biscuit Cafe, really, really good. Now, the next place is like a hood spot. It's called This Is It, okay? They're supposed to have really good fried chicken, the best. They said they got the best fried chicken in Atlanta, too, so we about to go see. This is more like a hood around the way kind of spot, okay? It's not downtown. So that's where we're going next. Flying Biscuit Cafe was really, really good.
It was good.
This is it. This is like soul food, barbecue kind of food. So we're about to go see what it's hitting for. Alright, so this one is Ronnie's. He got chicken, mac and cheese, yams, and cornbread. Okay, it smells really good. And this one is mine. I got the catfish nuggets, yams, mac and cheese, cornbread. They smell really good. Let me see. Yeah, are good. Nice and crispy. Now it's perfect. Had to hit it with some hot sauce. It didn't need it, but yeah, I already know.
Don't slip up or get caught. Why not, man? I'm coming for that #1 spot.